And on the other side of this aircraft is something known as a Buick start cart. And that's what we came up with to start the engine when it was installed in the airplane. It's a fairly low-lying cart, and a few of the guys were hot rodders back then. I think there's a few around today still. And it was decided to use a V8 engine through a right-angle gearbox to start the engine. Down here is the main gearbox, and there is a starter pad on the bottom of it. It's a open gear cup. And on the start cart is a positive gear that nestles up into that cup and then spins through the force of the V8. It turned out that one V8 wasn't enough. So we ended up putting in two V8 engines side by side, and the engine that we chose was the 1960 through 1962 Buick 400 cubic inch Wildcat engine. It seemed to be the best choice at the time. So that's how we ended up with the Buicks. And since we had JP7 as our fuel, and it may leak occasionally, it turned out to be safe and okay, because we had these very short pipes on the Buicks. You may have seen them. And when we were running the Buick cart, we literally had flames shooting out of the exhaust pipes. But the other part that was so cool is the sound coming out of those high revving Buick engines was just amazing. It was like music to a gearhead's ears. So they did have a weak point though. As the Buicks got up to about 6,000 RPM, we finally got up to about 3,000 RPM on the engine. And at that point, when the pilot engaged the throttle to go up to idle, the engine would start and it would take its way up the last 1,000 RPM to our idle speed, which is 4,000. Sometimes the guys running the carts would get a little bit carried away with the noise, and they wouldn't drop out at 3,000 RPM engine speed, and they would blow up the Buicks and it'd puke its guts out all over the ground. Over the first few years, maybe the first 15 years of the program, we broke enough Buicks that we exhausted the entire United States. Every single junkyard in the United States does not have a single 400 cubic inch Buick engine left. We got every one and broke it on this program.